Hi, Bob Morrow from emailhomes.ca. First of all, I want to say thanks for pressing that button and then saying that you're interested in 166 Carlisle Road. It's a unique property. You've seen the videos, you've seen the photographs, 72 acres of gorgeous property, lots of outbuildings, and the house itself is sprawling 4,000 square feet. It's a great spot. What we want to do next is, if you're really interested in looking at this property or one similar to that, is invite you to our cocktail party open house on October the 20th this year. We're going to hold, first of all, start with a property tour where we're going to tour some of the homes in the Carlisle area, and between 2.5 and 4 million, show you what you can get for that kind of money. Then we're going to come back to the house and have a cocktail party, enjoy ourselves, talk about whatever you want to talk about, real estate concerns. And the opportunities here in Carlisle, while it's such a great place for both Americans and Canadians to have a property. We're going to have an equine photographer have some of her horse pictures up. We have another artist that might be there showing some of their things. So there'll be things to do, talking, walking around. Just for coming out, just for watching this video, actually, if you press the button below and send me your address, I would like to send you one of my real estate books. As you know, I'm an author. This one talks about how to sell your house privately without an agent. And this one talks about all the various different ways that you can sell your house in America or Canada. Works for both. And that is free of charge. If you just send me your email address, I can get in touch with you and send you that book right away. The soft cover if you like. If you'd rather have an ebook, I can do that, send you the link right away. That's just saying thanks for listening to this video. But I encourage you to let me know if you are going to come to the cocktail party. We need an RSVP of some sort, so either email or text me through 905-536-4644, numbers below, and let me know if you can come. We'd love to have you. There's no obligation whatsoever. I'm not the kind of agent that chases people afterwards. We're just inviting you out to here because you showed an interest to start with. And we hope you have a great time. Thanks.